Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rahmawati Kantu. I am from Chemistry Education Class B. I will explain practicum about synthesis of calcium sulfate from limestone. The objectives: study the synthesis of calcium sulfate from limestone. Literature review: calcium carbonates are one of the most abundant minerals in the earth crust. They occur in the form of limestone and quartz formed from fossils, and marble formed from the metamorphosis of sedimentary rock. Calcium sulfate is one of several sulfate scales and is also called gypsum. Like it can form either as a result of mixing the similar water or naturally as a result of change in the temperature as the water travels from the subsurface to the surface treating facility. Methods: 1. Experimental tools and material. The tools names: Category 1 of operation cup, measuring glass, drop pipette, sieve, beaker glass, air measure, test tube, spatula, mortar, analytical bench, watch glasses, spray bottle, glass stirrer, and reagent bottle. Category 2 oven, hood, distillation apparatus, analytical bench, furnace, vacuum filter. Materials names: limestone, chloruric acid, aqueous, potassium tiscanate, sulfuric acid, natrium carbonate, nitric acid, and sodium oxalate. Result and discussion. Result: treatment: we get out 2 grams of polished limestone. Observation: limestone in the shape of a powder. Heating in upper range 900 level Celsius for 1 hour, while limestone does. Shaking 50 ml of aqueous and 25 ml of HCl 1M for minutes while stirring a bright gray solution. Filter solution: filtered clear colored, residue light gray. Defining by evaporation keeps shoots formed on the white solution is colorless. Adding by drops to SO4 while sitting until format on the white deposit forming. Mentoring a sedimentary plant: filtered clear colored, residue white, draining double up, white heavy, helix in on being format, heavy solids 0.6912. Next, qualitative test: when dissolve a few synthesized solids in H2SO4 and a few drops of HCl1M, dissolved solids and solution become pink. 2. Dissolving little solids by 10 ml HNO3 1M and a few drops of Na2CO3 1M, dissolved solid in a clear color solution with bubbles. Discussion: these experiments involve several stages, including the following stage of sampling, preparation, synthesis, and qualitative test. The experimental process of taking samples or limestone samples was taken near the river, the village of Budidiwe City of Gorontalo. The preparation stage begins with crushing the limestone first so that the hot limestone portion easily, then it is sifted. Being heated 2 grams of limestone dissolved by 50 ml aqueous and 2 5 ml HCl1M while mixing continuously for 15 minutes. Then the extract sludge and the filtrate. It is concentrated by evaporation, but it does not deposit form. Then the filtrate is added with H2SO4 1M until a deposit is formed. This white sludge that formed is calcium sulfate. Sediment drainer and reagent are produced 0.6912 gram weight of sediment. To the first qualitative test, adding a few drops from H2SO4 and 10 milliliters HCN 1 to a solution from white to pink BHCl, while in a second qualitative test, adding 10 milliliter of NO3 solution 1 and 15 drops and add to CO3 1 of bubbles. The conclusion, based on the experiment carried out, it can be considered that limestone is used in making calcium sulfate because calcium levels on limestone are very high. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.